Hello, good evening, Lerna. Myself, Pooja Nath More, working as a system professor in Dr. Vittal Ravake Patil Foundations College of Nursing. Today, I am going to take a very interesting topic for this my small micro teaching. That is how every teacher or every educator become a good educator. So nowadays there are different kind of AI tools available, ICT tools are available. So how we can use combine together ICT tool and AI in betterment of the education. So here is my topic, that is enhancing the pedagogy through the ICT integration and the AI use. So this will be the nowadays a very interesting topic. That is how we can use different kind of ICT tools and the AI mode for the betterment of the education. So objectives for my micro teaching is that general objective. The primary goal of this session is to sensitize educator to the transformative role of information and communication technology and artificial intelligence in modern pedagogy, highlighting how these tools can transition traditionally teaching into the dynamic and interactive learning experiences. The specific objective for this session is by the end of the presentation, participant will be able to distinguish the distinguish between traditional and modern instructional aids. Second will be identify the key advantages of the ICT in education, discuss the limitation and risk. Fourth will be explain the stages of water cycle through the use of integrated visual and interactive ICT demonstrations. Fifth will be demonstrate the use of AI assistant design tool. Sixth will be categorize various AI tools and their functions. Seven is summarize the organizational benefits of the AI. Now, many have raised the question why the ICT is the nowadays important to educate the student or to learn the something. Why not we are follow the some traditional method? So answer is here only. The image one and the image second. By showing two images, you might we get some clear idea about this some specific also. So first image will be the traditional blackboard with the complex and strategic drawing of the human hearts, while the second image is the 3D automated reality model of the beating heart. First image will be showing only the external structure of the heart as compared to the second image. And the second image will be showing internal parts of the heart, including arteries, veins, and walls also. So here the answer. ICT of advantages is some might be clear. So first it will be enhancing the learning. Second will be the improved communications and collaboration. Third is improved communication and collaboration, skill development. Fifth is a global exposure and access. Sixth is efficient management. Seventh is accessibility. And in education, especially, how ICT will be helped. The first, student become active participant, not just a passive recipient of the information. When we are using the traditional method or some kind of blackboard or the whiteboard only, so student will be taken the that particular registration by only seeing only. When we are giving them some kind of videos, this kind of model image, so they might be know or interact using the all senses and get the exact concept of that learning. Second will be teachers gain the new tools for the dynamic presentation and instant feedback. Each and every time of lecture, workshop, conferences, we had the common format, that is pre-test, post-test, and the feedback. So what exactly in that process will be pre-test? They will be assessing our prior knowledge. Then afterward, they conducting some kind of activity like workshop, conferences. Afterward, they had taken the post-test, so they know how this kind of activity will be help in the enhancing the knowledge of that particular participant. And the feedback will be given for them that know how their hospitality, how their arrangement, how their research person presentation. So all these things they want to know. So that's why they taken the instant feedback to forming a Google form. So Google form also is one kind of ICT tool only. So it is time consuming, relevant in giving the accurate and immediate result. So in business and society, ICT will be help drive innovation and automation, enable remote work and global businesses operations, increase access to information and public services. For example, now only by the Zoom only I can make my micro teaching recording and publish it on the YouTube. So it will be allow me to connect the society or world by the home only. So for the home also, we can connect with the other people by the different kind of social media as there, or different kind of what we say the platforms are there. So third is increase access to information and the public services. The counterpoint there might be everything has some pros and cons. So ultimately, ICT also having some limitations, requires investment in infrastructure and training. For example, this micro teaching recording only, I need laptop, tab, which is having the good quality. And second will be I have the basic knowledge regarding how to prepare PPT, how it will be shared. So this kind of basic investment I have to do. Potential for distraction and reduce critical thinking if missed. There might be some drawbacks or some losses will be happen when we are using some kind of ICT tools. So we had that kind of critical thinking approach also, so we can overcome from that particular problem. Risk of widening the digital divide between those with and without access might be, that every social media has some advantages, so disadvantages also. Many people taken the disadvantages of this kind of social media and doing some illegal activities. So this will be the again some limitations or counterpoint for the ICT tools. So now I'm going to interact some kind of interactive session. So exactly how ICT will be help some educator to become a more better educator with the help of ICT. Here I taken one simple example, which is school science topic only, that is the water cycle. So everyone knows that there is a basic six type of water um, cycle. That is, first is evaporation, second will be the transpiration, third will be the condensation, fourth will be the perception, fifth will be the collection or the runoff, and the sublimation. Everyone knows that the sun will be heats, then the oceans will be creating the vapors will be transmitting into the moisturizer again, vapor will be cooling down and change into the liquid water droplets and forming the clouds. The clouds will come too heavy, it will be water falls back down to the earth ultimately. So ultimately that precipitation that falls uh, on lands and collect into the rivers, oceans, right, and soak into the ground. Ultimately ice and snow can directly into the water vapor without melting first. So this will be the common. So it will be the might be the cycle. So the continuous process will be there. So secondly, this image will be showing how exactly the water cycle will be the from the ocean transference, because of the heat there will vapor will be formed, it will be transferring again, it will be condensation, then heavy clouds will be formed. Heavy clouds will be again dropping down the water onto the land. So it will be, some will be absorbed in the ground, some will be going into the oceans. Again, this kind of cycle will be continued. So this kind of explanation videos and along with the picture, so it will be easy to the student to get memorized easily, and it will be ultimately reducing the burden of the educator also. So it will be the good way. So second, I'm going to show the how different ICT tool we can use. So nowadays, every can might be heard the term that the Canva. Canva is one kind of app where we can design a certificate, templates, flyer, customize the banner, various kind of activity we can do with the help of Canva. But the Canva along with the AI, because Canva having the features of AI, they can just follow the reading or the command what exactly we are given to them. So topic is visual literacy and communication, creating an educational infographics. The goal to show how AI assisted ICT tools can help teachers and students to create the professional visual content in a second. For example, last moment might be teachers has given to the assignment to the student to prepare some small topic for the case study, case presentation, or the for the seminar, micro teaching, or might be in educator also. Many time higher authority given us the task that within next hour you have to demonstrate this is kind of topic to the this year of student, or this kind of guest star RRB. So you have to present yourself. So without getting panic, with the help of Canva, we can prepare various kind of templates and presentation. So now I'm going to take the second topic, that is how we can use the Canva app. So this is the demonstration. First we have to use the Canva app. So here I prepare one kind of another things. So I just want to share you that, just a second. If we are going and if we show searching here the Canva app, so we have to just put the official URL of Canva, which is already displayed in the which is already displayed in the PPT. That is Canva. For the Canva, there is various kind of free templates are also available. So for that, we have to, if we are registered, then it's good. I already registered for it, so I have to, as per the screen share, I have to do the green energy business PPT for the last time presentation. So here is the business PPT. So we just need to give the command to the Canva. So it will be preparing some kind of free and paid versions also. If this kind of star will be showing, which is shown by in the image, so it will be in the paid version. But in the left hand, there might be some PPT. So it will be again the free version of Canva. So sustainable energy. So they can. So if I taken this kind of um, PPT. So I have to pay because it's a paid version, right? So again, I go to the back and search the things. So I will be get some kind of free PPTs also, right? So here there is a so many things which is came across. So this will be the PPT, which is also the good one. So if I want to customize this template, so I have to click on the customize this template. So it will be providing me the energy. If I don't want the things, then I have to just remove it. Okay. So double click I have to do and just remove it. Anything I don't want from the specific slide, so I can edit it. So the right hand there is a so many options: design, element, text. Here also some paid and the free versions is also upload is also is available. If you don't want to upload such kind of things, and so you can place the or the press the button record yourself, or if you want to publish this kind of PPT in the online platform, so you can upload the file so people can be used. If I want this content will be okay for the last minute. One more thing, if you want the PPT for the more than 10 slide flip cycles, you can ultimately give the instruction to the presentation. So here is the option share. So ultimately share, if you click once on the share, so in the below we had the option download. So download, we have to just select which kind of things we want to. If we want the compressed PDF, then it will be the paid version, right? So PDF standard having the free version, so I can download it. So it will be showing the starting download. So ultimately this kind of things we can get easily downloaded with the help of the Canva. So this will be the good when we have the uh, from the PPT and any kind of PDF or any kind of world information you want. So or with the, some images and everything, so you will be get the easiest way to get such kind of things. Here I want to show you that I get the some kind of this kind whatever slide we can now see na. So I get the what say the content will be get downloaded. Just a second, I want to show you. So this is the PPT where we just download it. So I get the ready-made PDF file for PPT. So here is the almost 10 slide I give. That is the name of that particular slide, type of green energy, benefits of green energy, challenges and solution was there, global invitation and policies were there. So this will be the good. Ultimately, lastly, they will be showing. If we don't own such kind of last slide, so we can in the edit also we can use it. So this will be the good when we are taken the different kind of tools. So this will be the good when we have the last minute of presentation. So in the just a second. Huh. So in beta teaching point, instead of spending 2 hours to follow such kind of PPT, which is too boring or the time consuming, right? So everyone don't want to do such kind of things. So with the help of this of Canva or many kind of templates are available there or tools are available. With the help of 5 to 10 minutes, we can formulate the kind of better and good idiots or the what we see the sorry templates or the something else. So type of AI tools and their uses. So here I just enlisted some kind of AI tools and how we can use it. So first, if we want to generate some content from the AI tool, so create text, images, music, or video. Use from the drafting article such as Jasper or ChatGPT, but always keep in mind whatever answer given by the ChatGPT is not always true. ChatGPT only providing the answer which is based on the data previously stored in that particular ChatGPT system. So once you get the data from the ChatGPT, kindly crossly check it once. Then only you came to know whatever data you are getting from the ChatGPT, it is right or the wrong. Social media posts, marketing, copy, generating images. Uh, for example, if you want to create some logo for the factory, some club, some what we say the foundation, so this will be helping. What do we say? It will be helping. In the second will be the conversation AI and chatbots. So understand and respond in natural languages. 24 into 7 customer services, intercom, sendings, virtual assistant, Shri Alexa. Nowadays, every home or many home having the Alexa. That means in every ad will be showing that Alexa put on the light, Alexa put on the fan, Alexa what is the timing now? So it will the nothing but the AI only. So AI only having the stored data, and whenever we ask them, they will be providing. So it will be given the use based on the personalization recommendation data analysis and for the business intelligence. We can use the different kind of trending apps was there, so it will be helping us to get the um, business intelligence, automation and workflow, then streamline repetitive tasks. Use data entry, email management, document zipper was nowadays the app will be used nothing but the AI tool for getting the automation and the workflow. Code development for many engineering having the code development, so writing code, finding bugs, suggesting improvements. This can be also with the help of AI possible nowadays. Creating design now, previously only we see the how Canva use to forming a last minute PPT presentation. Productivity and not taking. For example, in Zoom also, when the Zoom is continuing, so in simultaneously they had the option mute and the recording. So there that also you can just type whatever content you are here, so you can record it by simultaneously. So creating second brains, organizing notes, aim and key benefits of using AI. First is increase productivity and efficiency. Second will be reduce errors. Third will be enhance decision making. Fourth is 24 into 7 availability and reliability. Fifth is improved customer experiences. Sixth will be 24 into 7 availability and reliability. So this will be things repeated. Improved customer experiences and cost reduction. Ninth will be data analysis and insight. And last will be augmenting human capability. That's all. So there is vast variety of AI tools nowadays available. Notebook LM is good when we are using, we had the Gmail account, but whatever AI tool we are using, for that we need the Gmail account. So my suggestion is to everyone that if we having one kind of email ID for the personal use, for the banking use, or for the official, no need to use same email ID for using the this kind of AI tool. Please form the another email ID and becoming using of that particular another email ID can use different kind of ICT, because when you are using this kind of ICT tools, it will be sending you the confirmation message, new updatation mail and everything. So continuously they are sending the email, so it will might be affect on your storage capacity. So that's why I suggest to take or form the new email ID. And each and every time you have the different kind of AI tools. So please go through it and use it. So and again, we made the tools or we made the software. Software doesn't make the human mind. So please ensure whatever data you are getting from any kind of tools or the AI, please verify it and then only used in the ICT tool. So here is I end my presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you once again for your attention. Good night.